All this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use.